Hello everyone, myself Jetal from Housey and today we are here at Signature Heights, developed by Signature Dwellings, which is located in Neraluru, South Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities internal and external, with parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So basically, this will be the main entrance of the project and you can have a look at the main entrance. So this is the land parcel and you can even have a look at the construction site as well. And about the marketing office is just on the right hand side over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start this video via project overview. So this project is spread across total of 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers in all, where 2 towers are of ground plus 14 floors and 1 tower of basement ground plus 9 floor, having exclusive 2 BHK, 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located in Neraluru in Chandapura of Electronic City in South Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Neraluru road and this road over the side will connect you towards Tirumagondanahalli, that is National Highway Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So basically you can connect to Embitus World School in just 1 kilometer from the project. You can connect to Tirumagondanahalli National Highway in just 900 meters. Electronic City's toll is within 4 kilometers from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So they are providing with vitrified flooring, anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fittings, home automation system and many more. Now about the external amenities. And the project is providing you with 40 plus luxurious amenities like of mini theatre, jogging track, co-working space, kids play zone, 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, yoga lawn, garden area and many more amenities.
Now let's discuss about the parking provision, and the project has one type of car parking facility and that is the basement level. Now let's discuss about the master plan, and this is the master plan of Signature Heights. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 3 towers in all with maximum of open space in the land parcel. Now about some of the floor plan, and this is the typical floor plan of Tower B with 8 flats per floor, 5 passenger lift, 2 staircases. Here 6 flats are of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 2 BHK residencies. Now about some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1254 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2.5 BHK, 1484 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1802 square feet super built up area.
Now about the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out in the background, the construction status of the project is 80% completed. Coming to the position part, so the radar position of this project is by October 2028. But Signature Dwelling is providing you the position of this project by October 2027. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of Signature Heights by Signature Dwellings located in Neraluru, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.